Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download Google Maps for offline use. Let's begin. This method works the same for both Android and iOS. You might want to download maps so you can access them without an internet connection, like when traveling or in areas with no signal. First, open Google Maps, and in the top right corner, tap on your profile icon. From the menu, select Offline Maps. Now, tap on Select Your Own Map. You'll see a zoomable map where you can choose the area you want to download. For example, you could download a region in Italy. Just adjust the area by zooming or panning. Keep in mind, the larger the area, the more storage space it will use. For instance, a wide area might take up 500 megabytes, while a smaller zoomed-in area could be just 30 megabytes. Once you've selected the area, tap Download in the bottom right corner. If it prompts you about Wi-Fi, just press No thanks for now. The map will begin downloading. While it's downloading, you can rename the map by tapping the pen icon in the top right. Once it finishes, you'll see Download Complete at the bottom. To manage your downloaded maps, tap the three dots next to the map's name. You'll see options to update, rename, or delete the map. And anytime you tap on it, you can view the downloaded area. Now, even when you're offline, you can navigate and use the downloaded map like normal. And that's it. That's how you download Google Maps for offline use. Thanks for watching.